Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall the Skype application on your PC. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, if you want to uninstall the Skype application, you will need to quit it first. Because if you are not quitting the application, you'll not be able to uninstall the application. So of course, here I'll need to go and click on the X button. But even if I click on the X button, the Skype will run on the background because that's one of the Skype features. Because when you close the Skype, you will need to receive a messages. If someone send you a message, you would like to have the notification to go and respond. So of course, as I said, if you want to uninstall the Skype, you would like to close it from your task manager if you want, or you can just go here and click at this, even unless you have it here on this area. So of course, let me just go here and close the Skype. And as you can see, if I open this up, I will have to find a green check mark. If I didn't find it, that will be okay. I can just go here and close it from the task manager. Go to application. As you can see, you will not even find this here. So of course you will need to go here and look for the Skype, and as you can see, it's run. So make sure to end the process or end the task for you if you have this option of the Skype application. So now let's just type Skype, and as you can see, there is no Skype anymore. So now I'll be able to go and install it like any other program. Of course, you can just go here and install. Let's see if there is a Skype. There is no Skype, so of course we can just go here and install a program on the control panel and then look for the Skype here. Here is it. You can just double click on it, and are you sure you want to completely remove the Skype? And of course click on yes. For me, I don't want to remove it, so I will click no. But for you, click yes and you will be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.